our topic is about inverse of one-to-one function. So, for the symbol or inverse, so we have f of x. So, the symbol for the inverse of this function is this one. This is the symbol for the inverse of f of x. So, there are 3 steps in finding the inverse of a one-to-one function. First is rewrite the function in the form y equals f of x. Second, interchange the x and y variables. And then the third, solve for y in terms of x. For example, if we are asked to find the inverse of f of x equals 3x plus 1. So, for the step 1, write the function in the form y is equal to f of x. So, the f of x will be rewrite as y is equal to 3x plus 1. Second step, interchange the x and y variables. So, the y will become x and the x here will become y. Then, solve for y in terms of x. So, meaning, we will have x minus 1 is equal to 3y. Then, to have y, to get for the y, we will divide both sides by 3. So, x minus 1 divided by 3. So, we have for y is equal to x minus 1 over 3. So, therefore, the inverse of our given f of x is equal to 3x plus 1 is the inverse of f of x is x minus 1 over 3. That's their example. So find the inverse of rational function. F of x is equal to 2x plus 1 all over 3x minus 4. So again, first step, write the function in the form y is equal to f of x. So this will become y equals 2x plus 1 over 3x minus 4. Then interchange the x and the y variables. So y will become x. Then the x will become y. So 3y minus 4. And last, solve for y in terms of x. So to do that, we can use cross multiplication. So x times 3y minus 4 is equal to 2y plus 1. So monomial times binomial. So x times 3y, we have 3xy. Then x times negative 4 is negative 4x equals 2y plus 1. So we need to solve for y. Therefore, 3xy minus 2y is equal to 4x plus 1. Then, since there are factors, they have the same factors, which is y. So, y is equal to 3x minus 2 is equal to 4x plus 1. Then, we can divide both sides by 3x minus 2 to find for the y. So, cancel. Y is equal to 4x plus 1 all over 3x minus 2. Therefore, the inverse of the given function is 4x plus 1 over 3x minus 2.